Hi, my name's Ryder and today I'm going to open this Calyrex V box. But before you watch further on this video, please subscribe. And anyway, let's get started. You get a jumbo card. This is the jumbo card. And hopefully we'll get something good for this. And Calyrex V Ryder. And you get 2 Chilling Rain packets and 1 Darkness Ablaze and 1 Robo Clash. So let's open the Chilling Rain first. We got this energy, a Wimpede, a Thwackey, Single Strike, a Pony, a Crabble, a Snortrat, a Weevil, a Custform, and a Oldfish, and a Amberrush, and a type of Fin Holo card. Now next Chilling Rain packet. We got a Water Energy, a Rapid Scroll of the Skies, a Carla, a Bowley, a Skull Bunny, a Diglett, a Growlithe, a Deerling, a Sneasel, and a Aura, and a Stirpuff. Now we're gonna open Rebel Clutch. A Energy, a Grass Energy, a Carlot, and a Darklock, Lampet, a Scyther, a Varby, a Derpy, a Magma, a Glaring Yawmask, a Morcapico, and a Yavmont Holo Rare. Darkness Ablaze are up 2. A Lightning Energy, a Carnivy, a Fluffy, a Yowhorn, a Snark, a Pastoral, a Diglett, a Jigglypuff, a Rowlet, a Glaring Darkrat, and a Holo Rare Dikashi. And that's all for today's video, but first here are the 4 holos we pulled. Very decent pulls. These are decent pulls. We have 3 holo rare. These are rare. And we got nothing good. We got that's there. 2 holos we have. Anyway, please subscribe to this channel and bye for now.